Okay, okay. I realized that the title of the video, "They Are Laughing at You," was like, what are you talking about, Austin? Well, I wanted to get your attention because this tweet to me says it all. And I'll explain this to you. Look, thanks for the cheap Bitcoin, you chump. And I'm a huge fan of Bitcoin Archive over on X, Twitter, and I'm just give them a follow. Great, great stuff. Very Bitcoin centric. But hey, even if you don't own any Bitcoin, you should follow it because again, Bitcoin moves the entire market. So why did I do a video on this? Thanks for the cheap Bitcoin, you chump. And obviously, this is the CEO of BlackRock and he's laughing. And I kind of liked it because it was kind of like he's kind of laughing at you, right? And here's why I thought this was relevant. Right now, Bitcoin is trading, as of the recording this video, Bitcoin's trading at 67,000 and change. And go back to that tweet right here. Thanks for the cheap Bitcoin, you chump. Okay. Here's what it comes down to. Bitcoin right now is, air quotes intended, cheap. Well, Austin, it's like right near its all-time high. What do you mean? It's cheap relative to the valuation that it is going to be in a year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. And that's why I wanted to make the video. That's why I think that the CEO of BlackRock's kind of laughing at you. And not in a like, oh, you're stupid and that kind of, even though the tweet said, you chump. Because here's why. They're buying. They see value right now. All of the institutions, they're buying at near all-time highs. Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, just borrowed $700 million. $700 million. And now his interest is less than 1% to buy $700 million of Bitcoin at current valuations. Why is he buying? He sees multiples, meaning it's going to go up multiple value, multiple X percentage, right? 3X, 4X, 5X, 10X down the road. That's the point. Okay. And so for those of us sometimes that are out here stressing about the fact that Bitcoin just moved down 5 points or up 1 point or whatever it is, these guys are laughing all the way to the bank because they see long-term value. They understand they understand the equation of buy an asset now, Bitcoin, crypto, and it's going to be worth more a year, 2, 3, 4, or 5 years from now. That's the point. Okay. And so sometimes we tend to, not see the forest through the trees, whatever metaphor you want to use. My grandfather used to say that all the time. Boy, you don't see the forest, the trees through the forest or whatever that saying was. I probably got that wrong, but you get my point. Sometimes we're right here. We're looking right here, just right in front of us. And we don't look further down the road. And so, yeah, buying Bitcoin now at 67,000 and change may seem like expensive, but it's not relative to the value of what it's going to be 3 years from now. Look, Bitcoin's going to go up. Whether it's going to go to 200,000, 400, 500, 600,000, okay. In traditional investing world, if you can buy a stock or a mutual fund or an ETF and you can get a 10% annualized return, that means if you put $1,000 in, you get your 1,000 back and you make 10%, you make $100 profit. That's 10%. That's it. That's a good investment. And so you're going, well, I think Bitcoin could at least double. It means if you put 1,000 into Bitcoin today and you think it'll double because I think it will, you get your 1,000 plus 1,000 back. That's a insane return. And that's the kind of multiples and return and ROI that is absolutely possible here in crypto. Okay. So yeah, I think sometimes people, the smart money, these guys, so to speak, sometimes are laughing at us because we some of us jump off jump out of the plane when it's flying fine because the plane went down 5%. You know what I mean? Like Bitcoin went down. Oh my God, the sky's falling. Just sometimes remember that. That's all I'm trying to say. Okay. So final thought. Here's the Bitcoin chart on TradingView. That to that, 8 days, 30%. If you're interested, links in the description below. That's my trading indicator that issued this buy alert and this sell alert for Bitcoin. And that was a 30% move in 8 days. Said buy it here, sell it here, and then issued another buy alert. So if you're interested, links in the description below. There's a 30-day, no questions asked refund guarantee right down there for you. You're covered. Okay. There's also a discount code down there that makes it where it's about $1 a day. That's what it costs you. And I just showed you Bitcoin's chart. There it is. That's a 30% move in 8 days. Okay. Want to see another one? Here's Pepe. Oh, that's not bad. 9 days ago, it said buy Pepe, 431%. And then it said sell it. 431% return is if you'd bought $1,000 of Pepe 9 days ago. Well, per this chart, right? From when the alert was sent to your a device of your choosing, if like you want it on your phone, $1,000 bought in 9 days, you would have profited, created a profit of $4,314 right there in that blue box, right there in the middle of the screen. So try it out. You got 30 days to try it out, and no questions asked. All right, I'll see you. Don't let them laugh at you anymore, right? Don't do it. And by what I mean by laughing, don't let them laugh at you is don't leave the building. Don't sell your crypto when we move down 5%. That's really what I'm trying to say. Have a longer term view because they're here. They're buying Bitcoin at 67,000 and change right now. See you.